Yo, we reached 100 subs. So that means, you know what that means. It's time for the handcuff.
Then only for Christmas. Flexing on the gram like, hit the little John, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid. Ow.
We reached 100 subs. So you know what that means. It's time for the handcuff challenge. And now, here's a secret. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Nicole doesn't want to do this, but she has to. So tonight, as soon as 12 o'clock, I'm walking over, we're hooking each other up, and we're gonna be stuck like that for 24 hours, and you're gonna watch it. So yeah, we're gonna have lots of fun. So it's 8:56, and it is time. It's time. Let's go get Nicole. No. 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 Where'd you go?
No, but I was just relaxing, okay?
But
Like,
okay, can I tell you something? You can't wear that top if we do it, because whatever top you wear to start, how are you gonna change later?
What do you mean?
Like, I'm wearing this, but I can't. I won't be.
Just like this.
Yeah, how are you gonna get it off your arm?
Watch.
If you're attached to me,
What do you mean?
you can get it off, but our.
I don't give a shit. We're not sleeping together. Why does everyone think I'm a spouse? You always you look how look at me. I put my snowflake pajamas on because it's so cold outside. I'm trying to relax here, right? You're really stressing me out. Okay, I need to put this on now. So leave me alone.
Okay.
No, not now. I gotta do homework. And I'm watching Sierra Burgess is a loser. No! No! I will throw this on your camera. I will throw it on your camera.
No, what are you doing? No,
Should I put it? Should I do it?
You said you do
I don't
it.
flush the toilet because I try to conserve and save the earth.
It's not for me. It's for them. You told everyone to do it.
But why right now? Why isn't this working?
When do you want to start them?
What the frick? Oh.
Is it gonna be your right hand or left hand?
I need my right hand. How am I supposed to wipe my ass? What are you doing? You're not doing it right now. We'll start it tomorrow morning.
It's better to start now so we can end earlier.
You're gonna be stressed. Mom! Mom!
Can you get Mamma Mia on here?
It's the challenge. Are you gonna go watch Mamma Mia?
No, I'm watching Sierra Burgess is a loser.
Okay, so I'll watch it with you.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's on Netflix.
It's taken me
Your ears
11
hurt.
minutes to try and get this done.
So hi guys. Not even trust.
Are you serious?
She wants to sleep like this. Okay, all my friends are gonna watch this, and I look so ugly. Like you could have gave me some warning.
So Nicole's being rude, and she always yells at me because I don't let her vlog, but she doesn't want to participate in the vlog.
Look at this, she's a slushy. Well, what am I supposed to do if I want to wear long sleeves? Because it's snowing.
Really?
Oh, the kissing booth. Yeah, that's what it was called. Okay, wait.
Yes.
Wait, actually,
supposed
you
to do it.
asshole, you're sleeping in my bed today?
Yeah.
So why don't you just do it with me? I thought you were doing it with me.
Do you want to do it with me? Let's go.
What are you talking about?
It's too tight. It's too tight.
I don't know what you think you're gonna do.
Nicole's stressed out because she can't wear the whole full snowflake outfit. That's her big concern. Rusty.
Stop! I'm taking it off.
Oh boy.
You know how comfortable this is? Maybe I'll just wear it underneath.
Somebody please send help. I'm putting it on my right hand because I'm being nice to her. My love.
Okay, come on. I'm doing a routine here.
Oh.
This is the dumbest thing, especially to be handcuffed to you.
Why?
Why is it so tight?
Relax, loosen it.
I don't think you can. Why is this happening to me, and why is this not focusing? Can you not see me, dummy? Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, can't even inch my head! Can't even inch my own head!
I got you.
Yeah. So first, you know, it's now winter because it's 15 degrees outside, and my skin gets really dry. So I put on Thayer's Witch Hazel Lavender Toner. Do you want some?
No, I just wash my face and go to sleep.
So you just kind of like...
I just take straight up water and
Maybe we should
wash my face.
Wait, Christina, I don't think anyone's gonna watch this. Maybe we should just B-roll.
I can't believe you guys are doing it.
We did it for the fans, Mom.
What's happening?
We got 100 fans, so we got it.
Oh. Is this live?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's live
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
live on YouTube.
It's live on YouTube right now.
Yeah.
While I'm here with my Michael Jackson.
No, don't
Yeah.
worry. Michael Jackson. MJ.
Tina just said, oh, I don't want to go out tonight because I haven't slept well for the past like 5 days.
You know what was
And then she just gives me this. She hasn't slept well. Yeah, you're going to sleep real well.
That.
Real well tonight. I hope my eye looked cool.
Oh, it's all good.
I hope it was.
No, I just brushed my teeth.
Oh yeah, Sam.
No,
Minty.
Here,
we're
Bobo.
not.
Get on it.
What is going on? What is this?
Come on, Nathan, movie!
Give me some more. Turn the tap on so that we don't have an explosion. Just stop. Now, like, we have to watch this movie like this. Stop.
You can undo it for like, you know, you could cheat.
No, we can't, Mom. Don't tell me this is based on a true story.
Nathan, seriously? What are you doing? Am I giving hypno birth?
Okay. Alright, let's go. Come on.
Get me up! Ow!
Ethan, stop!
Oh, loud.
Where's my water? I didn't even get to get water the whole flipping time. Oh no! Ow! Ow!
I hope we
I'm
got
so
that.
beat up!
Oh my god, Ethan! Can you just leave?
My nails are bruised now because look! Oh my god, they actually are bleeding!
Freaking slapped me so hard.
Stop.
Why are you vlogging in the dark, Christian? No one can even
No
see.
one can see.
Yeah, I see your face.
They can see this. No, one person first.
Oh my god. Oh my god is right.
Oh, I'm so injured!
This is fun.
Does she have water?
I gotta pee, Mom. Yes, bitch. Okay, let's clear this shit.
I'm gonna be on that. Ow!
It's time to sleep, so like...
Look at my toe.
He said, look at my toe.
Okay, can you go make sure the light's off?
Okay, can you
Oh,
tell
my
me?
lights.
We have to go together.
This is not even funny anymore. Let me lock the door. This light, Christina. You just... Mom bought me like 8 flipping full pieces. What am I gonna do with them?
Maybe she's trying to tell you you're fat.
Real funny. I'm sleeping on this side, so I don't care where you sleep. This is my side of the bed.
Well, you should have thought of that.
No.
Okay.
Figure it out. Who's gonna close the lights?
Who closes the lights for you usually?
Oh, that's comfortable. Wow.
So comfy. So comfy, cozy. I can't, like, what? We're in a pretzel. Oh my god, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Christina? Learn how to film.
Oh my god.
Holy, this is corrupted. Okay, I get it. Everyone gets it. Everyone gets it. Okay, you don't need to, like, Jesus. What is wrong?
Don't you just go like this to focus?
Nice triple chin.
I know, I have one when I sleep.
So, okay, Christina, please put your arm down. It hurts. Yeah, so, anyway. We're just some eggheads. Thing this, B-roll. Make us into eggs and spin around, and then, like, make the footage spin.
Yeah. Anyway, let's go close.
Someone needs to close the light.
Well, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, go. Just freaking reach. Reach the light. It's not that. You're sadly mistaken, my dear. So, plus, here we go. How many hours down? What time is it?
It is now 11:27. So, yeah.
3 hours in.
We're gonna go to bed, and we will see you all later.
3:28 a.m.
Wait, move! Hello. Nicole. What? Can you, like, you're hugging my arm all the way. Frick off! Oh my god. This girl still hasn't moved. It's the most uncomfortable shit ever. Ever. Yo. Get your freaking hand off me.
Anyway. Ow! Ow! I can't do this anymore!
What?
Like, I can't film! I'm trying to film!
What? Just sleep, you idiot.
Ow! This is too heavy! Who the frick? I'm gonna lose it.
I'm losing it.